Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so now I have imported a file um, just to work out और इस फाइल के हिसाब से हमारे पास ये इस एक्सेल का एक वेरिएबल डाटा है and we will going to review this along with the questions that have been given to us. So let's go to first one, which is use the Excel sheet name book 1 to solve questions and SPSS output generator method. First thing is that we have been given the descriptions of all the variables available. So there are 12 variables, okay, जिसका हमें description जो है वो given है. Let's go to our data file and there are 19 variables that are given to us, okay. But in 19 में से only 12 variables का data जो है वो available है. Let's go to the data what they have provided. Variable 1 is responders ID identification number. So what I'll do over here is I'll just copy this and I'll go to my file and label the first one as this, okay, and then I'll go to a file where province, the respondent's ID in the province. Okay, so what I can do is I can just write the labels that are given in bracket form. So I'll just do it like this. This is province, and let's change the entire thing. Let's leave it like this. And then I have label 3 as gender. Let's go to this, and I'll be going to this. This is gender. Then I have age. Then what's the label given at the time? Let's see what's the label given at the time. There's no label given for the time. Sorry, there is a label commuting time in minutes. So I'll just copy this and I'll go to my file. I'll write this. Then I have language. Let's do it. Language. And then if I see about the language, um, I have 3 values to be labeled. 1 is beginner, 2 is intermediate, and 3 is fluent. So what I'll do is 1 was beginner, 2 was uh, 2 was intermediate, and 3 is fluent or advanced. It was fluent. And if I wish to change anything in any label, I just have to click it, change it, and click the change. It'll automatically go to change. And I'll just, okay, I have to do it in this one, so I'll just control X and I'll do it control V, or I'll just do control C and control V, and I'll just delete it from here. Just remove all the labels from here. Okay, like this. Okay, so I remove the labels and I have wrote few labels over here. I have to decrease the decimal points. That I'll do, decrease the decimal points, and once I've filled all the labels and the values, I will get back to you. Just a minute. Okay, so this is how I have labeled all the available variables, and I have added all the values. And if I go towards here, there are decimal points, I'll just reduce all the decimal points to 0 so that I can have a better image. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So this is how I'm just doing 0 to all decimal points. And now look at this table. This is how this table looks. But if I click on the values, I can see whatever I have added to the values of the tables. I can see the blood groups I've added, I can see the employment status, the language status, all the places where I have added the values. So this is how you label and add the values.